So here's how to add variants to your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify account. Now you have to go to your account dashboard. After that, from this panel you have to click on the product section at the left. Once you click on it, if you already have a product page here, now you will be able to view the option to add variants. If not, you have to click on the add your product option. Moving on, it will take you to this page where you have to simply scroll down and go to the option of add variants. After that, it will open this pop-up window. From here, you have to select the variant of your product that is available. You can even add multiple variants for your one product. If you have a clothing store, then you can add size, color and other variant options. Here I selected the variant size and then I have to choose the available sizes for it. As I'm gonna here select the medium, large and small sizes, and after that click on the done option. Once I have added the variant for the size, now I'm gonna click on the color option to add the variants for colors. You also have to set the price for each variant. Here I'm gonna keep my price same for each variant. Here you also have to tell the item quantity for each variant. If you want to add another variant, you can simply click on it and then you have to select the variant type. Here I selected the color and now here you have to add the available colors for it. You can add as many colors that your product have and then hit on the done. If you want to keep the price different for each variant, then you can also change the price in each section. So that's how to add variants on Shopify.